Adventures of Puff Dog.
The Adventures of Puff Dog. Guess what? I'm doing another vlog, and this time you get to meet my cousins. And Bear's favorite toy, Rufa. So, you already met Nathan, kind of-ish.
Kind of-ish,
but
multiple times.
Multiple times in some of my other videos. Yay! And here he is! Nathan. And Bear. And this is my cousin Andrew. Andrew! That's okay. That's not Andrew. That's still Lufa. But this is Andrew. Andrew. That's still not Andrew. Andrew. Andrew's gonna be a
senior.
Oh my gosh, he's gonna be a senior next year.
It's like he's laughing.
He's gonna be a senior next year. And Nathan's gonna be a college second year. Hooray! Squeak that Lufa. So Lufa, how do you enjoy being owned by Bear? We just finished celebrating the 4th of July. Hooray! Today we had an interfellowship barbecue with the Epic AACF and Compass in Davis. And so that was pretty cool. Got to meet a bunch of people. I met this one girl who's Asian and she had green eyes. So cool. I forget her name. Anyways, we also had a water balloon fight. And this girl that I had just met came up over to stand next to me. And I was like, oh, hey, like, that's cool. She's, like, friendly, like, coming over to talk to me. And then she threw a water balloon at my shoulder. And I was like, and she's like, oh, you look like you wanted to, stop laughing. You look like you wanted to play. And then after that, she goes, oh, you're wearing a white shirt. And I was like, yeah, thank you. But anyway, she was super nice though. And she was part of the AACF here. Then we went and watched the fireworks. Yeah, and the reason why he's laughing is because, well, here you'll see. Hey Koops, so this is Davis Fireworks. It's pretty pathetic.
They might have been better from Central Park.
Yeah, because we went to Royal Park instead of Central Park because it's close to our home. And yeah, like, oh well, look at there's one. We're just like far away from like everything right now, and
at least it's not crowded.
Yeah, it's not crowded here though, but obviously there's a reason why it's not crowded. Anywho. Okay, I think you've probably seen enough of these fireworks. Hopefully the ones in SD are a lot better. Anyways, bye! Yeah, so Davis fireworks kinda suck. This year more so than other years. But oh well. So now I'm just hanging out with Nathan and Andrew and their brother Michael's gonna come a little bit later. He's walking their dog right now. Anyways, probably chat some more later and more updates later. And so say goodbye, Lufa. Bye. Hey Koops! Happy 4th of July. Look it, there's Nathan and that's Daniel. He's running away now.
He's throwing trash away.
Oh, never mind, he's throwing trash away. Anyways, it's the 4th of July and we're here with a bunch of, they're having like this like interfellowship thing. Hello, this is Michelle and Joan. And like everyone, we had like a potluck thing and everyone's just here before the fireworks and stuff just to like meet up and talk and stuff. Yeah, it's pretty cool. There's like they're grilling over there and everything. And I think a bug just went up my sleeves. That's awkward.